Hello students, today we are going to solve first numerical of jet propulsion of ship. Now question is written as the water in a jet propelled boat is drawn through inlet openings facing the direction of motion of the ship. The boat is moving in sea water with a speed of 30 km per hour. The absolute velocity of the jet of the water discharged at the back is 20 meter per second and the area of the jet of water is 0.03 meter square. Now we have to find the propelling force and the efficiency of propulsion. Now first of all we will write the given quantities here. The first one is speed of boat is given, that is 30 km per hour. Now we will convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, for which we need to multiply 1000 in the numerator and 60 into 60 in the denominator, so that kilometer will be converted into meter and hour will be converted into second. So this will be in meter per second. After solving this, we will have the value of u equals to 8.33 meter per second. Now absolute velocity of jet is given in the question, that is 20 meter per second, that is the value of v, and area of the jet is also given in the question, that is 0.03 meter square. Now the first quantity which we have to calculate is propelling force, which will be equals to rho into a v plus u into v. Now we have to put the value of rho, that is 1000 kg per meter cube for water. The value of a is given in the question, that is 0.03. Value of v is also given in the question, that is 20. Value of u which we had computed, that is 8.33 multiplied by value of v, that is 20. After solving this, we will have the value of propelling force equals to 16997.98 Newton. That is the value of propelling force. Now we have to find the efficiency of propulsion. So efficiency of propulsion, that is eta, will be equals to 2u upon v plus 2u. Now we have the value of u which will be equals to 8.33. We have the value of v which will be equals to 20 plus 2 into 8.33. After solving this, we will have the value of efficiency equals to 0.4544. We can write this value in terms of percentage, which will be equals to 45.44%. That is the efficiency of propulsion, which will be equals to 45.44%. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.